Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make Mabo Tofu Onigirazu. You will need cooked Japanese rice, nori sheet, Mabo tofu, nori tsukudani, lettuce. Step 1. Make vegan Mabo tofu. See the recipe in the description below. Step 2. Gather all the ingredients. Step 3. Place a sheet of plastic wrap on a clean work surface. Then place a nori sheet. Step 4. Spread a layer of rice evenly on the center of the nori sheet, creating a 10 cm square or smaller. Step 5. Add your fillings one by one on top of the rice. Place another layer of rice on top of the fillings, ensuring the filling is covered with rice. Step 6. Fold the corners of the nori sheet over the filling to make a square shape, and wrap the onigirazu tightly with plastic wrap. Step 7. Let it sit for a few minutes and cut it in half with a slightly moistened knife. I hope you will enjoy them. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.